Welcome to GLA'DIARY. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly consider subscribe and get to know much more about the life of a domestic worker in Arab Gulf country. Can you see that inviting swallow? This is wheat, and I'm having it with orishirishi obela alasepo, which is popularly known in my own tribe as a Yoruba girl, but this is okra soup. Like it contains so many delicacy and supportive system. You get it? If you don't get it, maybe you should go and try Nigeria food though. So guys, I'm going to answer the question being asked by a lot of people that how do I get African food in Oman? Hey, e no easy to combine all these things and to get this inviting, this yummy looking and yummy delicious food. And I hope you're going to enjoy watching and relax and join me in this mukbang. Hello lovely glass fans, you can see it's quite different. Yeah, I'm having a mukbang today. You know, it's not my usual thing, but according to a video, my hand is clean, I've already washed it. So according to a particular question asked that how do I get African food in Oman? This is wheat and okra soup. I have fish, I have chicken, and also beef inside. And this doesn't happen all the time because my boss, they hardly bring all these items that I need to make correct soup, and it's difficult to see mostly African food here in Oman. So sometimes whenever I'm craving for it, I used to be writing these things one or two, but it's so difficult. They hardly bring it completely ever since I got here. So for you shagala, I'm not assuring you that where you will be working you'll be seeing complete African food there, because it's not that easy. And if you are kind of person that wants to locate here, you see a lot of different country restaurants, more than African, like Egyptians, Italian, all these Korean. You see their restaurant easily. And when I was asking my boss with his own research, we're able to realize that in Muscat there is African kitchen and also African store whereby you can get all these things, but for shagala, you can't get complete. And it's also expensive to get African food stuff here. Here in Oman is very expensive because we don't have much African store. It's advisable you can cargo your food here. There are a lot of cargo that work for Nigeria, Uganda. They will brought your food stuff here. Some of my friends, they contribute money together and they buy their food stuff from Nigeria, and the cargo brought it for them. It was delivered and they share it between themselves. So that is the only way that I knew. Either you order it from Africa and cargo it down here, or you go to Muscat city and get your food stuff. Actually, I don't know the location, but there is African restaurants and shops, but it's not common. There are a lot of Arab countries that have a African shop that is not difficult for you to get food item, but it's not easy. As for me, this is the 6th times ever since the past 4 years here in Oman. This is the 6th times I'm having okra soup, because my boss doesn't bring this okra all the time. And even if he brought it, we may only have chicken and fish sometimes, because they only used to eat with, maybe they want to eat chicken, is chicken. If it's fish, they only cook with fish. But we Nigerians, we mix every orishirishi. inside our soup. And I can't lie to you, this okra soup, there's no palm oil, epokupa, which we used to cook okra soup, local one. But I have to use my fish oil. This is fish oil. If you use fish oil to prepare it with tomato paste, not too much, it will taste so good. And if you know cashew, which is dry fish, that small one, you can blend it. It will work so perfect and taste so well, like locust beans. This is my own way of getting African food in my boss place. Guys, I can't lie to you, this okra soup, it tastes so good, though it may not be drawing like the way it's hot, the way it's supposed to be draw, like you know how okra soup do draw. But this one, you know, it's cooked with tomato and oil. It's hot. And I believe you have already watched the video whereby I show you different kind of Arab food that you can turn to swallow. So this is flour number 3, which is rakumtalate. Yeah, this is what I'm eating. I think I like this flour number 3 more than all the other food, because this is more healthier because it's wheat. For someone who is trying to lose a weight, who doesn't want to gain much weight, I think you can see that my portion of food is not that huge, it's not big. So you can try this, and I hope it will help you a lot. I almost finished, and I haven't even snapped the thumbnail. This how much I've been craving for it. See, when I saw him bring it okra, I was like, hallelujah. I will pause rice for a while. Like, you can see how that bowl looked like, where I though it's for 3 days soup or 2 days. I don't like preheating food keeping inside the refrigerator like that. But what will I do? I have to enjoy myself when I have the chance to do that. Guys, you'll be wondering that how come tomato paste with okra, it tastes so good though. It tastes so good. Like, guys, I can assure you, you will enjoy it the way I do. That is okra for you. You slop. Oh my god. Gladys, don't mess yourself. This is why I like eating fish the last, because of bone. I don't like bone. So this is how I'll be living my local African Nigeria baby girl life. Because you want to relocate to Oman, better consider there are some Arab countries that you can get African food well. But if you can be shipping food, like I said earlier on, No problem. Oman is good. See me. Oh. I don't know. I've already finished the wheat. See, you can see how much you get. Truly miss swallow food. Because I don't know when next my boss will bring okra. And the funniest aspect is that they will only be using 2 or 3 to cook soup for garnishing. And before you realize it, it has spoiled inside the refrigerator. So what is this? It's just like a prayer answer for me. When a prayer answered, might say answered it. God bless you, my boss. Although I don't know when else you are going to bring okra, or when else we'll be having complete rich inside the refrigerator. But at least I go enjoy them for 2 days. Then I go I go stay low key till God says he will shop. Like seriously, I wish to go to that Muscat when my boss told me about it. They helped me to make research, but they don't take me there. Because I said I wish to go out and I want Africa kitchen, something blah blah blah. Because I know my young master used to go to Muscat very well. That is why I asked him to help me out. Because I know those people asking about how do I get African food in Muscat. And for those who have already visited, you know that to see correct African food, you go work tired in this Oman. That's how much it's so difficult to find our tiwantiwa, our ibile. Wallahi, oúnjẹ ìjọba. A day like this, I wish I could just go and sleep. But girl must go to work because girl don't belleful. Go and use the energy to work. Guys, thanks so much for watching to the end. I hope this video really helped you to find a way out and enjoy correct African food. So have you ever seen someone like this? I clear the plates. This is how much I miss this food. So for some people that even ask me, Gladys, what is your favorite food? I hope this plate don't have the question.